Here we go, everybody. We're gonna draw a koala today. It's gonna be exciting. So the first thing we do is we draw a circular head, okay?
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be...
Just right, like maybe a couple inches down from the top of the page, a little more than a pen cap. Just a nice circle. If it's not perfect circle, it's okay.
So like that here and here.
Perfect. Connect that.
You
circle.
could use something circular if you wanted to.
Certainly could trace something if you wanted to, but you do not need to.
Yeah,
Good job, everyone. Good job. Okay. Next, we're going to draw the front arm of the koala. I guess it would be the koala's right arm. It's going to be on our left. Okay, so it's going to be right out of the side of his cheek. You're going to swoop down and bring his hand right across.
Oh gosh. It's gonna be hard.
Just like a big swooping motion. They don't have to be the same as mine. They don't have to be the same as anyone's. It can be however you want it to be. Good.
Like out to here.
Yeah, that's good. And then on the end of this line, we're going to draw its paw, which is basically like the bottom of like a bubble letter M. Look at you. You already did it. Good job.
Cool.
So we go 1, 2, 3, and then we kind of swoop it back. Okay?
All right.
Now, the next step I think I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, it's going to be hanging on a tree.
Yeah,
Big,
it's like
thick bamboo
like a
tree.
Yeah, that's
Stick.
like
kind of like that.
So I
it's
think,
like hanging off.
I think what we're going to do is we're going to draw that part of the branch, or that part of the tree right there. So
It's a
kind of
branch.
make it
It's
on
a
an
branch.
angle. Kind of make it a little bit of on an angle, okay?
Oh gosh.
And you want to start it like down here and have it end like right up here.
I kind of did mine smaller.
That's okay, yeah. You just judge it the best way that you think you can. Good. Good, that's good. Now up here is going to be his other arm reaching across. So right
And
at
it's a
the
V.
right at the end of this line, you're going to come in and do, you're only going to see 2 of the little paw. Claw paws. Claw paws. I don't think that's what they're called, but
Your paws.
I actually
here you
don't
go.
know.
I'm actually gonna, I just made a little mess up, so I'm gonna actually do that so you can kind of see its third one. All right, it's kind of shaping up a little bit. Then at the bottom of this, we're gonna draw its bottom paw, so it's on his foot. So this is like one big
Kind of like,
arch,
yeah.
and then the bottom of it is like, again, like a bubble or M sort of.
Arch. Kind of like Dad's is good.
It looks, it kind of looks like a walking stick with a
Sort of does. Now we can now what we can kind of do is finish off this tree by going on this side of the tree. Anyways, go ahead by going straight up and straight down.
Big Daddy right there.
Yeah, it's on an angle. I shouldn't have said straight up and straight down. I just mean the line's kind of straightish, but it's a tree, so it doesn't matter if it's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a branch
And you can
on
do
a tree.
Down,
Oh,
like that.
I could just
Come down and land in also.
Yeah, come all the way down.
All right. Now we're gonna try to draw in between this side on this side of the tree and his bottom foot. So you're gonna go right under his arm, like an inch from the other line, almost, maybe not quite an inch. And you're gonna draw straight down. And again, I just kind of messed up a little bit, but that's fine because it's a bamboo tree. It's not supposed to be perfectly straight.
I messed up too when I tried to draw one of these. I messed up a lot.
And you do the same, buddy, okay? And at the bottom of this line, I'm gonna do another one of these feet. Looks like I've done it so just enough room to get that in there.
Is my tree too thick?
Nope, because you can just make your tree come in on like a little bit of an angle. Trees are funky shaped, so.
Yeah, they're not always like perfect. They're like never always perfect.
Okay, Now, there's two things we're gonna do. One, we're gonna make this leg look like it's wrapping around the tree. So you do that by curving it out and going up like that.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Like
Good
that's
job,
the
good
way
job,
I
good
need
job.
it because it's like this.
Yeah. And then you're gonna take, with the other side, you're gonna go out like this and curve it around. That's gonna be his leg, like kind of going into his back. Good, Landon. Good, Madeline. Now, from this side, just where the tree meets the paw, you're gonna go like that. Good. Don't go all the way up, but just kind of go up a ways.
Like that?
Yep, and then you're gonna be, this is where it has like a fold in its leg, and you're gonna see the difference between its gray fur and its lighter fur.
Like that?
Good job. Good job. Now, we have to do the other side, okay? So we're gonna do the other side of the tree coming up, straight out of here, and going all the way up.
Wait, Daddy. I just recognize something.
What?
Look, his leg is not attached to his body.
Where? What, this
Look.
one?
This is his leg.
It's wrapped around. It's wrapped around the tree. So it is connected. Now, from here,
Oh gosh, I didn't even do that for you.
yeah, make your tree line go all the way up and kind of bring it in a little so it ends up over here. There you go. Perfect. Keep going. Good. It's a good job. Now, on this side, we're going to do its ear right now. Okay?
Oh, it's
And
big.
the koala's got big circular ears. It's going to kind of go behind the tree a little bit here,
And then come back.
and it's going to kind of go behind the tree a little bit here. Good job.
It's like
And then
Dumbo.
the inner ear circle is just a smaller circle.
Dumbo.
And then on the other side, you want to try to make a similar sized ear. Like that. Good job, guys. And then we're gonna do some eyes. The eyes are low on the koala's head there. It's almost like at the bottom of their ears, okay? So you're gonna put one eye here. You're gonna put another eye across the way a little bit.
That Indian like.
Good job. Good job. And then the koala nose. This is important. Koalas have these noses that kind of like this.
Like.
Upside down triangles. With
Yeah.
rounded corners.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a shape of a candy corn kind of nose.
Yeah. So he's kind of well on his way, but not quite done yet, okay?
Wait, how is he not done?
Because we have a couple of spots. You guys did really good. We're down here, way down here, like by this V. Yours might be up here, Maddie, because your koala looks like he has longer legs. My koala's a little bit shorter. So right there, I gotta make like the bottom of his butt because otherwise it would look funny. Landon, you do the same. Now, I'd say like right in here somewhere.
Okay.
Like right here, Daddy?
Just have it
Right
connect.
there?
There you go. Perfect.
Is that like the bottom of his tummy?
Yeah,
Sort
exactly.
of like-
Exactly.
Like down here?
And like
Exactly.
sort of.
Yeah.
And now, like this part right here is going to be where his arm goes up. So right underneath his ear, just in between there and there, I'm going to make a little line to show his the top of his shoulder. Okay,
Yeah.
so yours would go like that. Yours would go like there. Okay, right in here needs a line right here that kind of outlines the white part on his chest. So can you guys do that? You want me to help you figure that out? Just so you guys just have the one step left, which is just I do too. I have to finish the bottom of my tree too. Boom there. If there's any parts you need to go over or thicken or darken, now's the time. But really, it's down to color, guys.
Yay. I'm gonna color.
Let's color. Let's do this.
And then I gotta kind of sheet it it like you kind of did.
It's a good way to show that the light is coming from this way, and this part of the tree's dark. And it also makes it look round.
It kind of
It makes
does.
it look a little bit round. So you want, like, again, the light's coming this way, so this part of his face is a little dark. You have to go wicked dark, but just a little darker, you know? Alright. Big reveal time. Koalas.
Koalas want to sky. Me fall down.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed drawing koala with us. We thought they came out pretty awesome. And you guys want to hear a little koala joke?
Yeah.
That was a monkey sound, not a koala sound.
What?
He's taking monkey sounds over here. That's a monkey sound. We'll draw monkeys. We'll draw monkeys someday. Okay, ready?
Yay.
What is?
With a banana.
You ready? What is a koala's favorite kind of car?
Tree car?
A fur Ari. What do you think? Oh, good God. All right. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. Hey, all right.
Throw it
Go
at
ahead,
the
throw it. Go
camera.
ahead. No, you want to throw it. Go ahead. Throw it.
Throw it at the camera.
Don't hit the
Sorry,
camera.
dude.
All right. So,
I love how it glided.
we gotta say our goodbyes.
Thank
If you,
you guys.
what do they do if they liked it?
Hit the right button.
We've
And
lost. Sad to report, we've officially lost our hammers of Thor. We had a couple of them, and they got holes in them. So we have no hammers of Thor, but smash that like button and
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Da-ding.
da-ting.
Da-ding.
Bye. See ya.
Ooh, ah.
Check out our videos on YouTube.
Ooh,
ShopKidsTV.com. Let's go.
Bye, studio.
Good job, Bandit, buddy.